we were on the last two problems. You did these with your partner. All right, so hopefully your partner explained to you how they got the answer, because that's what I'm going to ask you. Like after you're going to explain to me your thought process, because you couldn't just use and try and say, oh, I did triangle sum theorem and find the answer. And neither of these problems were like that. Like you could use triangle sum theorem, but then you had to use something else, okay? Because triangle sum theorem tells you that the interior angles add up to 180, which means this angle, and this angle here all add up to 180. Okay? All right, Nick, give me yours and your partner's thought process on how to find this angle measure over here on the outside. Tell me what y'all did.
Okay, each one has to equal 180, right?
Okay, all of these three added up. The three on the inside of the triangle had to add it to 180, yes.
So we added up 30 and 20, we got 50, and then we subtracted that from 180, and we got 130.
Okay, so 180 minus 150 is 130, or I'm sorry, is 30. Wait,
No, just 50, not 150.
This is 130. So this angle right here is 130 degrees, okay?
Yeah, we didn't get that for.
Okay, well, I know these three angles, and I know this angle is 130. How can I go about finding this angle right here? Does it have any type of relationship with any of the others? Sydney?
Wouldn't it be like the linear thing that we talked about?
Well, it's linear with this angle here and this angle.
It'd be congruent technically,
Vertical,
but I don't know how you.
Yeah, these two right here, this 130 degree angle and this angle are congruent because they're vertical angles. Therefore, since this one's 130, this one would be 130 as well. So the answer is 130. Okay. Also, you could have used linear pair. These two angles here, this is what somebody else did. This angle here is considered an exterior angle. So it is the sum of the two non-adjacent. So it would be equal to 50 because 30 plus 20 is 50. So they found this angle to be 50. And then they said these two are a linear pair. So they did 180 minus 50, which is 130. So that was a thought process. I just saw, not very many people. I saw one group use that yesterday, and I thought that was cool. All right, what about the second one? This one's kind of difficult because it gives you two in this triangle, but only one in this triangle. I want you to find this angle up here. Brett, what process did you and your partner go through? What did y'all say?
Okay, alright. So we added up 20 and 40, and then subtracted that from 180, or 180 minus 40. And then we got the adjacent angle, above 120.
Okay, so you're saying this one right here is 120?
Yeah. And then what about it? 120.
So that means this one's 120 as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we took 120 plus 39, and then subtracted that from 180.
And what was your answer? Was it 20 to 21? So that means this angle here is 21 degrees. Yeah, very good. So first you had to find this angle using triangle sum theorem. Then you had to use vertical angles, and then you had to use triangle sum theorem again to find this one. Again, I saw a group. What they did was this angle here is considered an exterior angle to this triangle, and so it would be these two added together. 20 plus 40 is 60, so this angle is 60. And so then they said this angle is exterior to these two, so they did 60 minus 39, which is 21. And I thought that was cool also, that they could see that. Oops. Does everybody have that written down? Is everybody okay with that? All right. These notes are page 27 in your binder. So page 27, 6.1, angles of triangles. I would keep your notes out so you can use them to work on your worksheet for today.